So, guys, I want to share something with you guys. About 2 years ago, I took down a tree. Now, I wish I would have known this sooner because I took down a few bad trees and I didn't know this. But uh, when you take down a tree and you grind the stump, I was taking all that sawdust that was left behind and spreading it around all over the place. 2 years ago, I cut down a tree, grinded the stump, and I threw it all in a pile. I was in a hurry, and I left it here. And by accident, I found out that if you take a whole bunch of sawdust or stump grinds, throw them in a pile, they turn to dirt. Really, really good dirt. Uh, I was looking it up to find out they call it black gold or compost. Or I do not have a green thumb. I do not grow. I fix and I build. So this was a pleasant surprise. My wife loves this. She takes the kids' buckets here. Now let me show. This is a big pile. This is the floor. This is the pile of sawdust that I put down that turned into dirt. So she comes over for her garden and planting. She fills this up, spreads it around, takes some seed. I mean, this right here. Take a look. It's all dirt now. Now, a lot of you might know this, but I had no idea. I had no idea you can make dirt. Who knew? If you grind a stump, keep it, throw it in a pile, and you get dirt 2 years later. It was actually pretty good last year, but you could see a little bit of the sawdust. But this year, there's no sawdust at all. It's just 100% dirt. I made dirt. So now I have a little pile of compost, and I didn't even try because I have no green thumb. I don't know. I kill everything. But my wife loves it because she loves to garden. This pile's about 2 feet high, and it's just all this right here was all the sawdust that came out of the stump, and it's now turned into dirt. So she uses this for everything. The whole thing is just one pile of dirt now. I mean, come on, look at this. This is just, I guess it's compost, I'm assuming, but there's no more sawdust at all. So if you have somewhere to store the, like somewhere in your yard, just to make a big pile of sawdust, if you grind a stump, throw it in a pile. It took about a year for it to mostly become dirt, and then this year it's completely all dirt. So subscribe to the channel, tips and tricks. If this helps you out, hit the like button. That helps me out, and I hope this helps.